What's up, everyone? This is Eb from BJJ Eat, Sleep, Repeat. I'm happy today because I got my DAAN Industries dummy. I call it the Dum Dum. So I'm really excited because, with this COVID-19 and isolation, it's tough to find a training partner, and to stay within the rules of, the protocol with regards to COVID-19 and social distancing and all of that. So I'm happy that I've got the dummy here, and let's check it out. So let's see this thing. Let's unravel the dummy. There we go. This is the 70-incher that I ordered with yellow. So it's got the target on his face here for ground and pound. And he's floppy, of course, but we're gonna have to stuff it. So that's what I'm gonna do, how to stuff the BJJ dummy and what to stuff it with. I'm gonna probably stuff it with some old clothes here. My wife was nice enough to give me a few things here, so let's see what we got. We got bed sheets. Oh, this is gonna be good. See, this will be good for the, this is very thick. So this would be good for the body of the dummy. Might be a little too much, but we'll see how much I can stuff in there. I've got some old blankets here, some old sheets here. Yeah, bed sheets here, perfect, big stuff. I mean, you can stuff with anything you want. I mean, if you have sand, I guess you can fill it with sand, but I don't have sand. And if it explodes in the house, I don't want it all over the place, right? So clothes are good. If you got some old clothes, you got some old blankets, whatever you got, that's to fill them up. So him or her, but him for me. His name is Dum Dum. What else do I have here? Well, I got some polo shirts, old polo shirts, some shirts here. I am cute. This is my daughter's old shirt. And let's see. Let's put him here right now. Let's lie him out here. Let's see what we got here. We got some old. We got some kids' clothes here. Some onesies here. Some old onesies. My daughter's old onesies. Aren't these cute? Oh, look at this. Yeah, so I'm gonna use some of this to stuff the dummy with. So that's perfect. So hopefully we got enough stuff here. Should be good. And yeah, let's start cracking on that. All right, let's get stuffing. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Okay, so yeah, at the back there's some Velcro. You just undo the Velcro, it's nice. And then you can undo the zipper, see that there? It's just a little hole here, and then you can stuff it in here. Right, it's the arms. Stuff his head, right? Get both arms, and then these long limbs here. So long limbs for do your foot lock on it, ankle lock, toe hold, practice all kinds of stuff. Knee bar. All right, well, let's start with the head. I want to probably use something that's one piece. If I use these polo shirts, they're going to be a little lumpy, so I don't want it lumpy. I actually want it nice, full, round head. So I think this, look at this. This is perfect. This is my that. So I'm going to stuff that in there, make a nice ball, and then see what that turns out when I stuff it in there. I give him a fat head. Oh, I can't quite get it in there. It's actually kind of tight. See here. Try to put it in there. Pretty much have to wiggle it in if you want, because this neck is actually goes narrow and then it goes fat, so you have to get it through this narrow part here. Once you get that part in there, make sure it's tight. You want to pack it in so it's nice and tight. So see that? Look at that. Let's Pretty good. All right, let's see how long it takes to stuff the dummy or stuff dum-dum. So everyone, I'm halfway, and yeah, it's taking about 40 to 45 minutes to get to this point. I've got him up to the knees and arms are done. Now I gotta stuff the thighs and the body. So yeah, my friend and teammate, he said it took him 2 hours, so I thought he was joking. But it looks like it's gonna be about 2 hours. This stuff, just make sure you have a lot of clothes. You know, I've used a lot of little things for the arms to pack it really tight, and yeah, I'm going to use the big stuff for the body. If it'll fit in there, I'll try to jam it in there, but you're going to need a lot of clothes if you're going to use clothes or blankets or duvet covers or bed sheets or whatever you've got, towels. So anyway, I'm going to carry on. Getting there though. Check it out. Legs. Got the head. Yeah, it's getting there. It's getting there. Getting there. Well, I feel like I'm making progress. I got this butt. Took a while to stuff this butt. It's a pretty good butt, eh? So, yeah, but it's taking shape. Coming along, just have to finish off the body and I think we're good. Yes, success. Woo! Now we're gonna put the zipper inside and then fold this Velcro strap, stretch it out over the Velcro here. Make sure it's nice and snug. You don't want any chafing on you when you're doing a back take or something, right? So, all right. Dum-dum is done. Dum-dum is done. Well, woo! That took about an hour and a half to do. So, I beat my buddy, Ian Tinroski. If you're out there, I beat you by half an hour. So it took me an hour and a half to put this together. And yeah, I think it helped that my wife actually gave me some drapes, some big bed sheets, and I had that duvet cover that I actually wasn't very confident in actually fitting inside the body because the blanket was this big and this body, look at it here, right? So, but when you actually stuff it in there, and if you want to make a really good dummy, you know, just have to stuff that really tight, and you'll need little clothes and all that stuff just to pack it down, or little towels or towels just to slide it into the little cavities that are, that they don't look like they're there, but they are there. So you just keep stuffing it in and rolling it in. You know, take your time. So let's take a look and see what the finished product looks like. All right, flip them around. All right, check it out. Let's see, let's test them out a bit. He just hit me, he just headbutted me. Here, to a seatbelt. Nice rear naked choke. Feet behind the head. Right there. Have the seatbelt. Here, work on the seatbelt on the other side. Right. Got the arm bar. You're ready to lock with the arm bar. Push the head out. Push the arm bar. Boom. Make sure you got some play. See, it's actually nice because it has this elbow that actually is bent, so it does simulate the real thing where you actually will pinch your knees together and you simulate making sure the thumb is up and the arm pops up, right? And then you don't have it, and then you're gonna slowly crank on it, or if you need to, you can do it fast. And play his guard, ooh, right? Over here, pass. Boom. Boom. Knee on belly, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Right, if you want to go street on them, here, boom, here, and then boom. Pass, over. Boom, boom. Pretty good though. I'm actually very happy with it. I mean, funny thing is, you know, some of the logos you'll see here, I did put in the wash when I received it, and then before I stuffed it. And a friend of mine, actually, one of my professors told me that he heard the logos actually start falling apart and coming off, which it actually has. It's actually flaking here. You can see it flaking off here around the head, the bullseye here starts flaking off out of the wash even right now, but that's okay. I mean, he's gonna be wearing a gi anyway, and then that'll keep that from coming off as just this part. But all this stuff here that you see here, probably can't see in the camera, is actually color of the fabric, so it's actually sewn in there. So this won't come off. This will. This logo. But any of the stripes you see on the side here are actually stitched in fabric, so it won't fall apart on you. So perfect. We tested him out, no gi, street style, and now I'm going to award him with a gi because I love training with gi. So I'm going to award him with a gi. I hope it fits. Let's see what I'm going to give you, dum dum. All right, look what I got here. What do you got for him? I'm going to give him a purple belt. You want a purple belt, eh? I'm going to promote him. Purple belt. Killer bee. Hemp gi weave. Isn't he lucky, eh? Doesn't fit me anymore, that's why. Thanks Darcy. That's my friend, gave me a gift when I got my purple belt. Thanks to my professors, Randy and Walton Chung, Kodokan YYC. Anyway, what kind of gi we got here? Let's see. It's pretty nice. I think you guys probably know what this looks like. Check it out. It's got an AP, Albino Preto. AP gi. You happy with that? You're happy with that, eh? Yeah, check it out. On the back, there's a special gi, doesn't fit me anymore, but it's got the Jiu-Jitsu patch on the back. I'm gonna probably take this off eventually and put it on one of my other gis, but yeah, it's hard to find. Anyway, yeah, so that's his gi. And yeah, I think you're happy with that, eh? Congratulations, you deserve it. You deserve it. I'm not supposed to handshake anymore. I can't even do that. All right, 6 feet. Social distancing. Anyway, it's time to belt dummy. He doesn't know he's being belted yet, so we're gonna do it, okay? It's like a belting ceremony, and everybody's watching. And I'm pretending I'm a black belt, because if I'm a purple belt, which I am, I can't belt him anyway, right? So, going around, yeah. Let me take his back. Ooh, what's going on there? See, what's going on? What's going on? Hey, what's going on? There's nothing, man. Got your back. Ooh, I'm gonna defend my neck. I'm gonna slip it in behind him. He's like, what? What are you doing, Professor? What are you doing? What are you doing, Professor? Oh, I got a belt. I got my purple belt. Oh, that's okay. Great job, man. Good job. So gi's great. So collar chokes, nice collar chokes. You kind of head choke them, right? All kinds of things you can do with that. So yeah, I'm happy with the grappling dummy. I mean, you know, it's one of the cheaper ones that I found. And it's good enough, right? Because I didn't have a training partner, and we're all, you know, a lot of us are stuck at home, isolated, and want to train, you know, jiu-jitsu, and you know, we definitely do it online. That's great as well. But you know, sometimes it's nice to have a drilling partner if you don't have, you know, someone at home to drill with, even someone your size. You know, it's nice to have a grappling dummy to you know, to practice some technique on some moves, right? It's not the same as a real partner, obviously, a live partner, but definitely it's better than nothing. And by no means, if you don't have the money to buy your own grappling dummy, you know, you certainly can, you know, find online people that are making their own dummies as well out of whatever they have at home, right? You just can get creative during these times when you're stuck at home, you know, for so long. So anyway, I'm happy with it. You know, a little bit about, you know, this dummy here. I've got the 70-inch dummy. That's what I paid for. It starts at 40 inches and it goes up to 70 inches. You know, 25 kgs is what it weighs for weight, starting at the 40 inch and 55 pounds. And then this one's 70 inch and weighs 55 kg when it's stuffed around there, which is about 121 pounds, to give you an idea how much it weighs. So this is the biggest one that DAAN, D-A-A-N, had. There's other makes as well, very similar. I swear it comes from the same factory, a bunch of other ones. But anyway, so this one is, again, it's about 121 pounds or 55 kg. So 70 inches tall. And then the price starts, you know, at $50 US. Up to you have here, $56 US. So I paid $6 more US for this one, or $69.99 Canadian, $10 for a plain black one, and then you know, $10 more at $79.99. You can get the one with yellow stripes on here. It's not plain black, so you know, it comes in red stripe as well, so that's nice too. I went with yellow because it's Bruce Lee Game of Death yellow, or Anderson's Spider Silver yellow. So, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button below and hit subscribe for future videos. Please be safe out there. Until next time, this is BJJ, Eat, Sleep, Repeat.